Are you tired of your chaotic schedule slipping through the cracks? Master a simple Google Calendar routine to take control of your day in under 5 minutes. First, we'll create a task with a title and date, set it to repeat daily, then add time blocks and assign to the right list. Go ahead and click on the Create button to start adding a new item to your calendar. Now, select Task from the options. Next, enter a clear title for your activity so you know what it is at a glance. Then pick the date when you want this activity to take place. Click the All Day checkbox if you want it to take up the entire day. Now, tap on Does Not Repeat to set how often the event repeats. Choose Daily if you need this to happen every single day. Click the Description field. Here, you can enter your daily time blocks to organize your schedule throughout the day. Now, click the My Tasks drop-down menu to choose which task list to save it to. Select My Tasks as the list for this activity. Finally, click Save to finish creating your task. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.